Hey guys, my name is Adelia Calderon, and today I'm going to show you the Essential Oils Kids Kit. And the reason why I really like this is because it's very colorful and bubbly, and it's really fun. And and it's just for kids, and I like stuff that are for kids, so we don't have to worry about anything. So, the reason why I recommend this for children is because it has really good stuff in it. It has, for one thing, Thinker. And Thinker is very good for your mind to help focus and just to be creative, and it's just really fun. And another thing that I really like about the kids kit is that it also has a kid flashcards. So the kids, if your child can read, then they can just read this if they don't remember what the oil's for. So it has all the oils. So like here's Thinker, and it's a focus blend. What it says about Thinker is, when it's time to get creative and focus, roll Thinker into the back of your neck to support your mind and enhance learning. So it's very good for learning and all that kind of stuff. So the next one we're gonna talk about is Brave. And by the title, you probably already know what Brave's for. And this is what the flashcard says about it. Brave. Courage blend. Before, now, or different situations, or to just start your day, roll Brave onto your tummy or bottoms of your feet of courage and confidence. It is very good for confidence and courage, as you can tell. And then the next one we're going to talk about is Rescuer. Rescuer is a soothing blend. It is very good for if you're like sore, or like after you're done jumping or playing or anything like that. And here's what the flashcard says about it. After running, jumping, and playing, rub Rescuer onto your legs, feet, or back to soothe your active body. So it's very good for that kind of stuff. And next we're going to talk about is Calmer. Calmer is very good for calming, of course, you can tell. And it's very good. I just like Calmer. And here's what the flashcard says about it. When it's bedtime, roll Calmer onto the bottom of your feet and onto your wrists. Climb into bed and take a deep breath to let your mind rest. So as you can tell, it's very good for helping you go to bed. The next one we're going to talk about is Stronger. Stronger is really good it's a protective blend. So it just helps to protect. And here's what the flashcard says about it. Use Stronger on the back of your neck or bottoms of your feet for an added boost or protection when you are not feeling your best. So I just really like that one. And the next one we're going to talk about is Steady. And this is the last one. And Steady is very good for grounding. It's a grounding blend. So here's what the flashcard says about it. For those times when you feel nervous or anxious, rub Steady on your neck and wrist to calm and comfort your emotions. So it's an emotional blend. So it's just really good. So the flashcards are really good and helpful. And another thing that this is the kit it comes in. It also has this, so you can put it on your black backpack or your kid's backpack or anything like that. And then over here, as you can see, the two pad things, like right here and right here. This is when you need the thing open for a little bit. So you just clip it together. It's very difficult, I should warn you. And then another thing that I like is, you see this? It's on top of the thing. And you can pull that out, and it's a little baggie for this. This is for if you're traveling or you're like traveling in places and you can just hang this on. So each thing has a color. So purple one is calmer. Green one is steady. Stronger is red. So you get the idea. And why should you get these? Because they're amazing and they're very helping. And it will teach your kids to it's the best feeling to know that your kids just can go and grab it without any worries. And if your kid cannot read, but they know their colors, you can just, because each one has a different color. And you can just tell them the colors and what they are, and that it might take a little work, but it will definitely be worth it. And so yeah. You have a great day, guys, and I hope you have a great day, and just have a great day. Bye.